I said leave it! I said leave it!
No mistake will be tolerated. Do you understand? No mistake will be tolerated. Do you understand?
Hold on for a second. Hold on for a second.
I'm not fond of rainy days. Let's change the date instead. I'm not fond of rainy days. Let's change the date instead.
And so, are you?
Love it.
And so, are you? Guess we're almost here now. Guess we're almost here now. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Thank you so much for the ride, then. Thank you so much for the ride, then. His outfit looks expensive. His outfit looks expensive. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. You alright?
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. You alright?
Yeah.
What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing? Did you memorize what Mr. Cha gave you?
Yes.
Did you memorize what Mr. Cha gave you?
Yes. You know, I've heard about that. No, you know, I've heard about that.
Never mind that.
Got it.
Never mind that.
Got it.